Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today we're diving into a topic that plays a huge role in building our communities. Building, from houses to bridges and even skyscraper. Building is a key factor in making our environment safer, stronger and more functional. Let's find out why. First, let's find out what is welding. Welding is a process of joining metal parts together using heat and pressure. This technique is essential in construction, manufacturing, and even in repair. But why is welding so important for community development? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about welding in-house. One of the most common uses of welding is in home construction. From metal frames, stair railings, gate, or even roofing supports rely on welding for durability. Without it, our home wouldn't be as strong as long lasting. Let's move on to welding in infrastructure development. Now let's move on to welding infrastructure development like bridges, highways, and even train tracks are all made possible through welding. It ensures that steel structure can withstand heavy loads and harsh weather conditions. Imagine a world without welding. Our roads and bridges wouldn't be as safe or reliable. Now, next is welding in everyday life. Welding isn't just for big projects. It's also used in repairing vehicles, bikes, and household tools. Think about it. Without welding, we have to replace broken items instead of fixing them, which would be way more expensive. How does welding support job and the economy? Well, welding also creates jobs and help boost the local economy by skilled welders that are always in demand, whether in construction, shipbuilding, or even artistic metalwork. Learning welding can open up a world of career opportunities. So as you can know, safety and innovation in welding is also required. Of course, welding requires proper training and safety measures. With advancement in technology, welding techniques continue to improve, making it more efficient and safer for workers. So as you can see, welding is everywhere. It's a vital part of building and maintaining our communities, keeping our homes safe, our infrastructure strong, and our economy growing. If you're thinking of learning a new skill, welding might be the perfect choice for you.